My name is Frank Wubben. I'm a project manager at the Department of Project Aerodynamics at the German-Dutch wind tunnels. And at present we are at the LLF, the large low-speed facility in the Netherlands.
The KC-390 is for sure the biggest challenge we ever faced at EMBRAER. To face this challenge, we have many mitigation strategies and of course wind tunnel testing.
My name is Marijn Versteeg. I'm a mechanical engineer at the Dutch National Aerospace Laboratory, as well as the lead designer for this project. Together with a team of approximately 40 people, we are responsible for the design and manufacturing of this wind tunnel model. Compared to the earlier KC-390 model, this model has a completely redesigned and rebuilt fuselage. A remotely controlled air-to-air refueling hose is used to simulate air refueling during flight.
The hose and drogue satisfied specific requirements which were specified by EMBRAER. And the hose and drogue were manufactured and designed by the NLR.
This set of requirements ask us to develop an airplane to operate from the Antarctic region to the Amazon.
We use a special technique, stereo pattern recognition. And by doing a calibration with these cameras before we start the measurements, we can measure exactly what's the position of each marker as a function of time. The parachute is used in real life for dropping loads from the aircraft in flight. So we did measurements with the parachute behind the model by mounting it to a parachute balance, which could measure the forces on the parachute. PIV is Particle Image Velocimetry. PIV is a technique where we apply seeding into the flow. This seeding is shown in the flow by using a laser light. And two cameras are looking at the particles which are in the laser sheet and records the position of these particles in the laser sheet. By applying two images very close to each other, you can determine the difference in spacing between the particles, and the time between the two images makes it possible to calculate the velocity of the flow field.
In addition to the many objective and technical reasons we could name, I have to say that we have one subjective issue that is very important, is that DNW people is as excited as we are about the job we do. And this is very important for us to make things happen.